Hello students, welcome to maths lecture. Now in the previous lecture we have completed our problem set number 49. Okay, with that we have completed our perimeter part of this lesson. Now today we are going to start our area part of this lesson. Okay, so first, what is a perimeter? See, we know we have learned how to find out the perimeter. Okay, so what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the distance of outside of a shape. Okay, it is a distance around the outside of a shape. Okay, understood? Like suppose this is a rectangle, 2 centimeter of length and 1 centimeter of breadth. So how do we find out the perimeter? 2 into length plus 2 into breadth, that is 2 into 2 plus 2 into 1, 4 plus 2, 6 centimeter. Okay, in this way we used to find out the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter is a distance around the outside of a shape or a figure. Okay, but area is something which measures the inside of a shape. Okay, the inside of a shape. Area is something which measures the inside of a shape. Okay, for example, see. Okay, this is a rectangle and see how many rows there are. 1, 2, 3 rows are there in this rectangle. Okay, there are total 3 rows. Okay, and in these 3 rows there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Okay, let us assume that these boxes are of 1 centimeter. Okay, one box is 1 centimeter. Okay, so there are 3 rows in this rectangle and the 3 rows are having 5 boxes. Okay, so we have assumed that one box is equal to 1 centimeter. Okay, the one box is of 1 centimeter. So there are how many boxes? 1 horizontally, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means the length of this rectangle is 5 centimeter and vertically there are 1, 2, 3 boxes. So this means the breadth of this rectangle is 3 centimeter. Okay, 3 rows having 5 boxes. Okay, means breadth is 3 centimeter, length is 5 centimeter. Okay, so area is something which measures the inside of a shape. Okay, now there is one formula for finding area of rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, the length 5 multiplied by breadth 3, 15 square centimeter. Okay, the area of a rectangle is written as square centimeter. Okay, area is written as square centimeter. Okay, so we got the answer 15 square centimeter. The area of this rectangle is 15 square centimeter. Okay, now see, if you count all these boxes you will get the answer 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this 15 square centimeter is the measurement of the inside portion of this rectangle. Okay, understood? How to find the area of rectangle? There is one formula. area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Okay. Similarly, the formula of area of a square, area of a square, area of a square is, see, all the sides of square are equal. Now suppose this is a square. See, you can see there are horizontally 3 boxes and vertically also 3 boxes. So the side of square is 3 centimeter. Okay, all the sides of square are equal, same. So the formula for finding area of a square is length of a side into length of a side. Okay, area of square is equal to length of side into length of side, or you can just write side into side. That's it. Okay, so these are the, see now here, for finding area of this square, we know that side is 3 centimeter. So formula is side into side. 3 into 3, you will get 9 square centimeter. Now count the boxes inside the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, we got the answer 9. Okay, so area is nothing but the measurement of the inside portion, the inner portion of the figure. Okay. Now, let's come to solved examples given on page number 73. First one, what is the area of a rectangle of length 20 centimeter and width 15 centimeter? Okay, so they have given you length as 20 centimeter, breadth as 15 centimeter. You have to find out the area of a rectangle. So therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to formula length into breadth. You have to write full length into breadth. That is, length is 20 multiplied by breadth is 15. So 300 square centimeter is the area of a rectangle. Okay. Similarly, have a look on third example. What will be the area of a square with sides 15 centimeter? Side of a square, they have given 15 centimeter. We have to find out the area of a square. So area of a square is equal to formula side multiplied by side. So 15 multiplied by 15. Okay, all the sides of square are same. So 15, 15s are 225 square centimeter. Okay, understood? Okay, so the next, have a look on second example. A wall that is 4 meter long and 3 meter wide has to be painted. If the labor charges are rupees 25 per square meter, what is the cost of labor for painting this wall? They have given you the length and breadth of the wall which has to be painted. See, a wall that is 4 meters long and 3 meters wide means here the length of a wall is 4 meters and breadth is 3 meters. Okay, so first we have to find out the area, length into breadth, that is 4 into 3, 12 square meter. Okay, understood? Now what they have given, if labor charges are 25 per square meter, means labor charges of 1 square meter of land, of wall, sorry, per square meter means the labor charges, cost of labor charges of 1 square meter of the wall is rupees 25. Okay, so we have to find out the total cost of wall of 12 square meters. So therefore total cost of 12 square meters of wall is equal to 25 multiplied by 12. Rupees 300. Okay, so the total cost of labor charges of 12 square meter wall is 300 rupees. Okay, now the next, last one. Sorry, fourth one. One side of a square room is 4 meter. If the cost of labor for laying 1 square meter of the floor is rupees 35, then what will be the total cost of labor? Okay, see what they have given. One side of a square room. See, this is a square room. Okay, the length of one side of this square room is 4 meters. Now they have given you that it is a square room. Square room means all the sides of square are equal. So all the sides, the length of all the sides of this room is 4 meters. Okay, so first we have to find out the area. Side of a square they have given 4 meters. Area of a square room, side into side, that is 4 multiplied by 4. You will get the answer 16 square meter. Okay, now what they have given, cost of labor for laying 1 square meter of floor is rupees 35. Okay, means labor cost of 1 for laying 1 square meter of floor is rupees 35. You have to find out the total cost of 16 square meters of floor. Total cost, therefore total cost for laying 16 square meter of floor is equal to 35 multiplied by 16. rupees 560. Okay, so therefore the total cost for laying 16 square meter of floor is 35 into 16 rupees 560. Okay. So in this way we have completed solved examples given on page number 73. In the next lecture we will start our problem set 50. Okay, so your today's homework, you have to practice all these solved examples of page number 73 in your maths notebook. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture with the problem set 50. Okay, so till that, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Thank you.